Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Fakiha. So today's video is about a luxury brand review. If you are interested in seeing, keep on watching. So this is the luxury item which I was talking about, which is Dior Holiday Gift Set 2022. I ordered it almost 2 days ago, and surprisingly I received my parcel within 2 days. On their website they says like it is limited edition, and because of its high demand they says it will take 7 to 10 days to get delivered. But I'm like very surprised that I got my parcel within 2 days. So without further delay, let's open it up. So first I'm going to show you the receipt. This is like that. You got like all the paperwork in this, and this is the box. On the card box it also says Dior, and let's take out the actual box from the card box. So this is the actual box, and now I'm going to move my camera a little bit closer so that you can easily see that what is inside the box. So let's move into the next clip. So here is the beautiful Dior box, nicely wrapped in a ribbon. Now I'm gonna open the box. This card is for personalized message. It also has Dior written on it. Here we have beautiful Dior box. First we're gonna check in this dust bag what we have. So in this we have 2 sample size perfumes. Now let's have a look to the main holiday gift set box. Here comes my favorite pouch. Midnight blue color velvet cosmetic pouch. It has a gold hardware. It also says Dior on it. Very nice and a smooth zipper. Now have a look on the products. Nicely wrapped in a paper. So here are the items. I got one Dior Addict lip balm and one Dior Addict lip maximizer. Both are in pink shade number 001. By the way, these two things are highly in demand. Now I have Dream Skin Care and Perfect Global Age Defying Cream and Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Both the things are in miniature size. So these are the products which I have. along with 2 sample size perfume in this Dior Natural Glow Essential Holiday Gift Set. I hope you guys like this video. If you are asking me about this Dior holiday gift set, yes, I like it and I will recommend you to buy it until it runs out of stock. Here is the end of the video. If you like this video, leave me a comment down below and share this video to your friends and family. Until the next video, goodbye.